Hello, I'm Mike from Headquarter Audio, and today is my new QStab, the day of the launch of the QStab, and I will show you my way from this one. This is from a bell, a real church bell, maybe 12 years ago. And this is the first one I created for Sony CDP 555 XR555. It's a very heavy drive, and you need a very heavy stabilizer for this. And I created this instead of the steel one. And this is a big improvement. And this is the only one in the world, this one, because it was so expensive. But yes, that was the right way. And then I changed to Philips Avatar or Jay's Audio with a CDM4, Philips CDM4 drive. And yeah, the original stabilizers. Oh, I need an improvement. And so I made my thoughts in the way to a new stabilizer. And this is today the launch of the one, and I will show you. Bye. So first, once again, the old one from Bronze, German is bronze, I don't know the word in English. So this was the first creation of my stabilizer for Sony. And yeah, the sound was very good and clean, and the tones, the overtones are right. And this was a big improvement. And then there was the original from the Jay's Audio CDT2, MK2 and MK2. So this is the one with fiber, carbon on top, yeah, and here is the contact side for the CD. There is some gummy, I think it's gummy. You can see. I can show you. Yeah, it's gummy and it's gone away. And this is a big stamping. Yeah. Cannot hear anything. And this is the sound too from the music. It's clean, it's nice, it's yes, it's a good high-end tone, but I say it's not musical high-end, because there are no right overtones and no emotions in the music. And so that was the point of my new creation with this one to this one, and I changed many different types of wood to this one, and that was a big improvement. What like the improvement to this, but this is, the music sounds a little bit heavy. It's heavy, and so it's slow. The music is slow, and this one is light. It's lightweight, yes, and the music is faster and much more emotions, real tones. Piano tones are very nice and big. The music is big. And yes, but it's handmade, and the design, yeah, could be better, I would say. Okay, so you see here example for the wood. Yeah, and a lot of work for me to find this wood, this veneer, I think it's the right word for this. And yes, it's a long way to find the right materials, because everything is sound of the right material. And then I ordered Avatar, and Avatar has this one. Yeah, really, again with some damping material here, and I think it's aluminium, I think. Yeah, and it's really small. So I think a CD, and this is very good size here, and the CD at the outside, yeah, it's flattering, I think. Yeah, this is I think maybe not, because the spin, yeah, the speed of the spin Yeah, and then the air is flattering. And so, I hope the word is right, flattering. Es flattert. In German, es flattert. So, but I think you understand. On the outside of the CD, it's doing this. Yeah, and it's not good for the laser optics and the precision, and maybe it produces jitter. And so I thought about a new design, and these are the materials I tested. Yeah, different types of material checked with resonances, with sound check for the materials, and then the first prototype. I will show you now. I will show you my product, and then I will show you the prototypes, because it's better. So this is the one. Yeah, and this is a material for human body, for bones, replacement of bones, or Gelenke. I don't know the word Gelenk. Gelenke. And this is, you hear it. It sounds big. Yeah. Yeah, and it sounds, the whole frequency, yeah, from low to high is in this. It's not anything of damping inside. Yeah, and if you put it in your CD drive and you hear the music first time, you can hear it very fast what's happening. And now I'll show you the way to it. Different types of material. This one with aluminium, and this was the first one I tried with test in my avatar, and that was great, but the overtones were not right, and so away. And so a bigger one I created, yeah, this one with a vinyl. It's like a plastic. It looks very nice, but it's too heavy. Yeah, too heavy. And the plastic tone, yeah, you know, plastic is damping. Yeah, it's no sound in it. Yeah, it's not realistic. Yeah, and so away with it. And then this one. Yeah, and it's handmade, and there are special things in it no one knows than me. Yeah, it's a long time of experience and knowing about different materials and resonances, and yeah, my philosophy is to control the resonances and hold them in a realistic way, and no damping, and yeah, free your devices. Yeah. So this is my way. It's light a little bit better, I think. Yeah. And now I will show you some videos about my QStab, and about the production, and about the QStab inside the device. And Avatar is a very nice device because it has Avatar has the window on top. I will show you.
For you I love, but all my life you
So this was the introducing video of my new QStab, and I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe, and if you want to have some information about pricing or delivery time, because I have a lot of these QStabs here, and everyone might be everyone can have one, okay? And please order here down the link. Yeah, it's a link to my website, to the contact formula, and you can write an email and I will answer you. The price of this one is 179 euros, okay? If you wonder why the price is so high, I think it's for a high-end product, it's a low price, but for this one, the material of this one, yeah, and you saw it in the video before, yeah, the production in Germany, and it's a high-end production, and it's a laser sinter technique, and that's expensive, and so I'm sorry. This is the only way to go, and it's the only material I found that works. And so 179 euros, please write an email here, a link to my website, and order one. I can tell you this is a big improvement for your sound, and it will be the first step maybe in the experience of anti-damping. Yeah, and free your device. Yeah, that's my opinion and my way. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe. It's very important for me. Maybe I will show you more products, and you will support my channel if you subscribe, and so I can give you more videos and more products, and so please subscribe. That's the way. Thank you. QStab. Wow. Yeah, bye.